Welcome back, everyone. We're continuing our Baby Freebies with the Walmart Baby Registry box. So you can kind of see it comes in this nice, cute box. Yeah, anyway, we're going to go ahead and open this. So the Walmart Baby Registry, to start off, the Walmart Baby Registry, all you have to do is create a registry and then sign up to get your box. You don't have to have any purchase requirements. There's no shipping, nothing like that. So it's a very easy one to get. It's more similar to the Target box. I have links down below or in the cards up in the upper right hand corner if you want to check out some of our other Baby Freebies. We have an Amazon, Target, Enfamil, and Similac videos. But this is the Walmart one. It's very easy to register for, so we're going to go ahead and open it up here. So first thing I notice is there's not nearly as much stuff in this box, but there's no purchase requirements, so I guess take it or leave it. The Target one also has no purchase requirements, so this is a pretty big fall from the Target one. But if we pull it out, we get the Huggies little Snugglers diapers, 3 of those. I want to say we got 3 Huggies diapers in most of the other boxes too, or in the Target and the Amazon one. But still nice to get 3 more diapers. We also get a Johnson & Johnson Cotton Touch Newborn Wash and Shampoo. So that is nice to have this little size, and it's just good to have more body wash, shampoo, whatever you want to call it. It does come with one of these Ziploc containers, so this is a really nice size that you could store either, let's see, what size is it exactly? It's a 4-ounce one, so you could, in theory, store like breast milk in here, or rice cereal, or other baby food if you want to make baby food and freeze it. This looks like it'd be a really nice container because it does snap tight nicely. And then it does come with an oatmeal cereal. It does say single grain, and there's 2 servings in here, so this is a pretty good sample. One thing I noticed though is one of the top ingredients is wheat, because the oat flour has wheat in it, so I don't know how it's a single grain cereal. But if you guys don't have wheat problems in your household, this is a really good sample. And then it does come with an Aquaphor healing paste for diaper rash, so that's a really nice sample to have too. These are really great for your diaper bags if you don't want to carry around a full tube of diaper rash paste. And then it comes with cards for your pictures, so 1 month old. It has all the way up to 12 months old, and then on the back it has different registry suggestions, so that's kind of a neat thing. However, it seemed like the box took so long to get here. I didn't get it until after my due date, even though I registered a couple months before I was due. But it's still nice because you can always add to your registry after the baby's born too. Otherwise, the rest of the stuff, it looks like it's just kind of advertisements on comparing diapers, kind of your perks of this. So next day delivery on $35 or more. You can scan to add items with the Walmart app, free and easy returns, and then it has top brands. So the registry overall was fairly easy to complete. The checklist wasn't as easy to navigate, and the website wasn't quite as easy to navigate as, say, Target or Amazon for that matter. They also don't have a completion discount, but a lot of their items are more affordable anyway. So just kind of something to think about. This just is an add to your registry now. Baby Dove, but no sample. Then this is the Ziploc container we got. And then it says you can shop by scanning. And then the art of feeding. So if you already watched my Similac video, you did get one of these in there too. That just kind of talks about some of the different, like what you should eat, and then some breastfeeding tips, proper latching, as well as like how much they should be eating. And then also formula preparation, I should say. And then they actually have like kind of comparison of their formula. So overall, there's some useful stuff. Not the best value for Baby Freebies, but again, it is free, so it's probably worth getting anyway, just because anything free is worthwhile. But that's just kind of to give you an overview of what that is. Super simple to get, so I'd recommend you get it anyway. And I'm assuming their samples change, so you might get more or less, and maybe you get more stuff if you've already purchased items from your registry. I don't know. But this is the Walmart Baby Registry box, so be sure to check that out. I'll have a link down below if you want to see more of a breakdown about the value of this, as well as a link to create your registry. Otherwise, be sure to check out our blog post on all the Baby Freebies you can get and our other videos on our unboxings from those. And if you like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for joining me, and have a great day.